All right, y'all, has Bitcoin found its bottom? And what altcoins are pumping like crazy right now? We are going to get into it, guys, but first, make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy technical analysis content, non-financial advice, trading strategies, all that kind of good stuff, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it on MySpace, guys, share it on all your social media networks. So let's talk about Bitcoin first before we get into the altcoins. Now, if we look at Market Cipher B, on the daily time frame, we can see that we are starting to bottom out. The last time that we got this kind of thing on Market Cipher B, where we had money flow coming down, as well as us forming a big momentum wave underneath the zero line, was back when Bitcoin was trading around 40K. And we can see we came down to our support and we consolidated here for a little while. Currently, we are absolutely finding support again at the Fibonacci golden pocket. Now, this is a trade setup that I had given in advance in the VIP Discord. I think a few days actually before it took place. A lot of us in here were looking at this level where we wanted to see us come down to the box of support with a bullish divergence and uneven butt cheeks pattern on the 4-hour time frame and down. Right, we wanted to see us come down to this exact level, and that's exactly what did happen. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that we did, in fact, as we came down to that golden pocket, get a bullish divergence on Market Cipher B, where price made a lower low as momentum made a higher low. I call this the uneven butt cheeks pattern, guys, because we have our juicy left cheek and then our not so juicy right cheek over here. That usually means we are going to get a bounce. In fact, if we just quickly go to DuckDuckGo and look for uneven butt cheeks and click enter, we can see right here, if we go to images, that this is exactly what we want to see, guys. This is it, okay? When you see this on the 4-hour time frame at a level of support, you know we're going to get a bounce. So have we bottomed out, or is there going to be more movement to the downside? Well, we're starting to get what I call a floppy butt cheek on the 4-hour time frame, where even though it looked like we were going to come up and we did get a significant bounce, we see the momentum wave starting to come down and money flow also starting to come down. What that means to me is potentially we are either going to consolidate here for a while before a move to the upside, or we're going to see another move to the downside before a move to the upside. And I'm going to talk about the levels I'm looking for. But really, the thing that gives me hope that we're going to get another move to the upside is the fact that we are printing a bottom on the daily time frame. A bottom on the daily time frame. I'm going to go ahead and draw a vertical line here so we can compare what it was like, especially on other time frames. If we go to the weekly time frame, we can see that as we were printing this bottom here, we had just printed a red dot on the weekly time frame as well, just like in our current day where we've just printed a red dot on the weekly time frame. If we go back to the daily time frame, things look very similar. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that indeed things look very, very similar. Money flow has crossed into the purple, and it looks like we're starting to get momentum back to the upside. So what are some levels of support if we lose this golden pocket? What are some important levels of support under us? Because honestly, this golden pocket is a very important support in my mind. Well, the next major support underneath this golden pocket, if we are going to lose it, is going to be these two levels right here. These are very important. First of all, if we pull a fib from the low of the dump right here to the all-time high, we can see that our 382 level is coming in right about 54K, right around there, right? 53.7K. If we lose this golden pocket, the next area I am really looking for is that 382, 53.7K. And if we lose that, the next level I am really looking for is going to come in right around here. Okay, if we pull a volume profile for the entire year of 2021, we can see that we have a low volume node right here at around 53K. All right, why is this such a significant level of support at 53K? Because we can look at this entire chunk of price action up here as a range with a value area low and a value area high. And when we come above the value area high, we can expect price to come back into the value area. When we come below the value area low, we can expect price to come back into the value area. Also, this is a very important support resistance flip. We can see that on our first leg up here, this level acted as our resistance, and so it would be a proper retest for us to come back and test that value area low, which used to be a value area high, confirming it now what used to be resistance into support before another move to the upside. So guys, honestly, I am building swing longs. I will hold the swing longs unless we lose this very important level of 53-ish and then back test that as resistance and continue down. I'm building swing long positions here, not financial advice. Never take financial advice from a guy on the internet, guys. A YouTube guy on the internet with a SpongeBob SquarePants hat. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is the face you're going to make if you mistake anything I say as financial advice. Look at this hair, guys. Look at the hair. All right? Come on. This ain't no financial advice. All right. That's kind of it for Bitcoin, guys. We do have some resistances above us, of course, to be aware of. Obviously, we can pull our fibs from the highs to the lows and see we have areas of resistance above us. 60, around the 382 area, there is major resistance. And then, of course, around the golden pocket / value area high of the year, there is also major resistance. So these are the levels to be aware of for the corn, guys. So, by the way, if you do want to get into the VIP Discord where I post these trade setups in advance and post my daily technical analysis, as well as, guys, right, this is the exact level we want to long with the confirmations, as well as daily technical analysis updates and a thriving community of traders. You can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper. People are posting their juicy technical analysis and juicy trade setups in here. All right. Also, guys, if you do want to learn how to do technical analysis, you can go to JasonCasperTrading.com. We currently have a 33% discount in the description of the video in honor of Black Friday, every American's favorite holiday, right? Where we're still sick from all the carbohydrates and fats we ate the previous day. We go out to the stores, we fight people to get the last TV. And also, guys, this will just walk you through everything you need to know to become a confident, profitable trader, even if you've never looked at a chart before. Okay, even if you've never looked at a chart before, this will give you everything you need to know. JasonCasperTrading.com, 33% discount in the description. All right, let's talk about some other coins. Sand, guys. Sand, guys. Sand absolutely pumped and is currently finding some major resistance. I shouldn't say major, but for Sand, this is major at the Fibonacci 1.618 extension level. This is something we've been looking at in the Discord, and absolutely, guys, I am long on Sand, but I have also been shorting the areas where we can short, right? We can see we're getting bearish divergences on the daily time frame. If we go to the 4-hour time frame, we can see also that over time we are getting bearish divergences. What this means is that although I'm still long on Sand, I am taking the opportunity to short every time we come to these major areas of resistance. In fact, if we come in here to the VIP Discord, we can see that I have been trading this, right? I took the short. I took an opportunity to take a short here on Sand, a little higher leverage. I'm also long on Sand, guys. 1x leverage, right? 1x leverage. I still think we can get a lot of gains here. I am holding on spot. I am trading on leverage. I still think there is a lot of ways to go potentially for Sand during this bull cycle. Also want to talk about AVAX, because AVAX did get a significant move to the downside. Okay, so if you've been following along, if you are in the VIP Discord, you know that we did take a short right here from the golden pocket / top of the channel. That was a trade setup that we did give in here. Over here, potential altcoin trade setups. We took the short from the zone of resistance and took it down to the golden pocket. Okay, this was the setup given on Wednesday. By the way, it is Wednesday today, so we will be doing another altcoin VIP live stream today where we look for trade setups in some altcoins, right? This was the trade setup, played out perfectly. So right now, we are coming down, about to bottom out on the 4-hour time frame for AVAX. Now, what would I like to see for AVAX? I would really like to see us come down to this golden pocket and retest the trend line right here. However, it's important to note that we do have this little area of volume right here where we have an inconsistency on the way up. We had a movement down for a little bit right there. So it is possible, it's very possible that we are finding our support right here for AVAX. And so for me, this is definitely a zone right here where I am looking to get into on spot and, not on spot AVAX. The fact that we are bottoming out on the 4-hour gives me the hope and the what's a good word, guys? Not hope, but gives me the idea that we are going to get another move to the upside, right? Pretty much AVAX in this bull run, every time we get this green dot on the 4-hour time frame, we get a move to the upside. So this box for AVAX, basically between 110 and about 117, where we're currently trading at right now, is an area where I am looking to get me some AVAX either on spot and or on leverage trading, right? On leverage trading as well, which I am. I'm in a long on AVAX from very, very low down. In fact, I'm pretty sure I longed the breakout of this important resistance right around here, okay? The retest of it right here. So I'm long from about $71, and you know, I'm hoping to continue to hold this, guys. I'm hoping to continue to hold this. If we go to the daily time frame, things do not look bearish at all, although we have the red dot. Indeed, it is getting higher highs on the momentum as well as the price. Even on the 4-hour time frame, we do not see the bearish divergence here, okay? But what we do see is money flow coming down. So what I'm hoping is something like this. We saw the money flow come down. We get the green dot. We get another move to the upside. And then once we start to see the bearish divergences form on the upside, that's where we know to start to take a short position. All right, guys, that's all I have time for today. If you like the video, make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you, again, 33% discount on the course, JasonCasperTrading.com. To get into the Discord, patreon.com/JasonCasper. Also, guys, if you do want to sign up for Bybit so you can leverage trade, and if you're in the Discord, leverage trade along with me, you can click the affiliate link in the description of the video and get a $3,500 sign-up bonus if you deposit a certain amount of Bitcoin. All right, y'all. That's it for today. God bless and peace.